Python program to determine which coordinate quarter is in a coordinate point. How to get the coordinate quarter in a particular coordinate point. So the first thing to be done is to impute the coordinate points. The coordinate points x and y, convert it to floats. Then after that, you now compare if it is greater than, if x and y is greater than 0. Should print the first quadrant. So if it's less than, if y is less than, this y is less than 0 and x is greater than 0, you should print the second quadrant. If y and x is less than 0, you should print the third quadrant. Then if y is greater than 0 and x is less than 0, you should print the fourth quadrant. If y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, that the points at which the origin of the quadrant system will be printed at. Then if x is equal to 0, print out the point x-axis. And if y is equal to 0, then you should print out y-axis. So I think we have done that. What's to be done now? Is to run the program to enter the value of x and the value of y. Okay. Let's enter the value of x and the value of y. When x is 4 and y is 5, that's the first quadrant. Okay. Let's run it again. When x is 4 and y is -6, the fourth quadrant. So let's try to run it again. When x is -3 and y is 6, it will give you the second quadrant. So that's a simple program to determine which coordinate quarter is in a particular coordinate point. How many to determine the coordinate quarter in a coordinate point. Thanks.